Hello, third graders. This is Mrs. Copeland, and I'm a math teacher in Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools. I'm going to be helping you with third grade memory joggers. Let's take a look at Week 9, Day 2, Problem D. Charlie ordered a special pizza. The pizza was 1/2 cheese, 1/4 pepperoni, 1/8 sausage, and 1/8 ham. Partition the circle to represent Charlie's pizza. Label the parts with C for cheese, P for pepperoni, S for sausage, and H for ham. We have a few things to remember. The denominator represents the number of equal parts a problem is referring to. The denominator represents the total number of equal parts. Unit fractions are fractions with a numerator of 1. You can think of a unit fraction like you think of units of measurement, such as inches or feet. The denominator is the number of times it takes to cover the whole with that unit. You can write a unit fraction to represent each of the parts above by thinking about how many of that size it would take to cover the whole. So we know that Charlie ordered a special pizza, and the pizza was 1/2 cheese. So if I were to take my pizza and cut it in half, that's like sharing with 2 people. And half of my pizza is going to be cheese. And this tells us to label C for cheese, so I'm going to put a C. 1/4 of the pizza was pepperoni. So now I have to think, if I had cut this pizza into 4 equal parts, I would have to cut all the way across, but if I were to cut it into 4 equal parts, so pieces this size, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1/4 of the pizza is going to be pepperoni. We're supposed to label P for pepperoni. 1/8 is sausage. So this is 1/4, this is 1/2. And in this section here, I've got to figure out how to do 1/8. So if I take a 1/4, one of 4 equal parts, and I cut each fourth into 2, then what's going to happen is I'm going to end up with eighths. So one of those eighths would be sausage, and 1/8 H for ham. Thank you, and if you have additional questions about this problem, please ask your classroom teacher.